Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing an important project topic that will be helpful for the final year students. And again, in your final year, the projects that you select, the topic that you select, it must be unique. Almost many of the projects are already available. So the thing is that whatever project that you choose, it must be beneficial and you should be able to give proper justification why you select the project, and whatever work you have done, that should be unique. You must be involved in this. So we'll be discussing a small project idea, in which it will be a AI based project, and it will be for the healthcare. So the problem statement will be that nowadays in rural area it is very difficult to get an appointment with the doctor, and we are talking about the primary investigation, primary consultation, in which at least there should be someone who can give proper consultation on a particular topic, on a particular disease. So for this case, you can create a AI based chatbot, and again you can start with few diseases and then you can keep adding, because again this will be a model that will be trained for specific diseases, specific therapies. So you will keep adding number of diseases, so that again it will not be, initially it will be a small project, but the big picture will be that you will keep adding on, you will keep training the model on different diseases, so that after 1 year, after 2 year, it will have exposure. This model will be trained for all the different diseases, and then it will be a very good model where whenever a user wants to have any consultation, at least primary consultation will be provided. It's not that what is the type of disease, what all symptoms are there, what all precautions needs to be done, plus which doctor should be consulted, in which field it should be, whether it is MD, whether it is surgeon, so all those things. So this will be again a basic idea whenever you are going to create healthcare AI chatbot. So if you're going, it will be a web based project in which there will be two types of users. One will be the admin, who will make sure that what type of questions will be there, what type of users will be allowed. If some user is not using it properly, he can ban that user. The only requirement will be user will be logged in order to interact with the chatbot. There will be list of diseases, list of therapies that this chatbot can handle, and again that will also be handled by admin, so that again somebody, before interacting with the chatbot, at least he can check what all features, what all things can be handled by this chatbot. And again, since I discussed that initially it will start with few therapies, diseases, and then it will keep adding. So the moment there the model is trained with some other disease, so that he can handle questions from other disease, you can keep adding those from the admin section. You can check the user responses, you can check what type of therapy people are asking, and based upon that admin can decide how to grow this model. So this model will not only help the users for primary consultation for different diseases, again for medicines and for actual consultation, it will also recommend to go for different doctors. It will not be a one stop solution where it will provide everything, but at least initial, if somebody has any doubt about a particular thing, this chatbot will be able to handle all those things. So first thing is, like, it will be a machine learning project in which you will train the model, and again it will not be a rule based, it will be reinforcement. Again, the model will also keep training based upon the feedback that it is getting. Plus, this model, you will keep adding other therapy areas also. From admin, you will have you can create new users, you can activate the users, you can delete the users, you can add all the therapies, you can add the doctors list from the nearby area, so that once the user logs in, at least once he has any prescription, any detail about the particular disease, he should also be provided the doctors who can again take this to the next level, where he can consult them and then he can get proper prescription, he can get proper consultation from them. So again, it will be a big project, but initially it will start from few modules, and it will you can keep adding on this, and it will be a good project for your final year, because again, in terms of technology, you are using machine learning, Python you are using for this, you are also using web based. So you will have all the flavors from web to desktop to chatbot, and again, you can also know what all things can be done. Again, you can use the technology like React for front end. For chatbot, you can use Python programming, machine learning, and this way, like you will also be able to, you will have exposure of different technologies. So this was also small project discussion for your final year project. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.